So this problem is example number 4, CET lecture 3. Calculate the equilibrium constant for the following reaction: Cu2 plus Sn2 plus giving you Cu plus Sn4 plus. Standard reduction potential or SRPs of both the electrodes are given. So now we will proceed to solve this problem. What is given? E0 Cu2 plus Cu SRP value, standard reduction potential. SRP means standard reduction potential is 0.34 volt, positive value. Next, E0 Sn4 plus bar Sn2 plus is also given, that is 0.15 volt, and also redox reaction is also given. Redox reaction is given. So first we will write the half equations and find out the value of n. Cu2 plus 2 electron will give Cu. This is oxidation. Sorry, this is reduction. I'm sorry. Next, Sn2 plus giving you Sn4 plus 2 electrons. This is oxidation. So here when we write the overall equation, we will get Cu2 plus Sn2 plus giving you Cu plus Sn4 plus. Is it not? So here electrons are cancelled completely. Electrons are cancelled completely. Therefore, n value is equal to 2. Now, the relationship between equilibrium constant and E0 cell. So, E0 cell is equal to 0.059 by 2 log K. Here what is K from this equation? Concentration of Cu into concentration of Sn4 plus products divided by reactants. Molar concentration of products divided by molar concentration of reactants raised to the power of their stoichiometric coefficient. Everywhere stoichiometric coefficient is 1. So you put 1 or you leave it, it's up to you. So this K we substitute here, and all of you should know that concentration of solid copper is equal to unity. This is IUPAC. Therefore, this term will disappear. Now E0 cell is equal to E0 cathode minus E0 anode. So we have clearly given some hint here. So the electrode which is having more value, more positive value will act as cathode, and the less positive value will behave as anode. Is equal to 0.0295 log. You substitute K. If you substitute K, you will get a concentration of Sn4 plus divided by concentration of Cu2 plus into concentration of Sn2 plus. Okay, here what we have to calculate is we need to calculate equilibrium constant. So all these things are not required. Just for the sake of understanding, I have written K is log K, keep it like that. So cathode is how much? Cathode is 0.34 volt minus anode is 0.15 equal to 0.295 log K. So this is 0.19 is equal to 0.295 into log K. Log K equal to 0.19 by 0.0295. That is equal to we'll calculate this 1 second. 0.19 divided by 0.0295. 6.4406. Therefore, K is equal to anti-log of 6.4406. That is equal to 2.7 into 10 power 6. So this is the value of equilibrium constant.